Hello Glamours and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell for my upcoming future videos. I went on Pinterest looking for a beauty mirror for my niece for her prom as a gift. Unfortunately, prom will not happen this year, but the good news is that they will have a virtual prom. If you would like to find out how I created this beauty diva mirror, just continue watching. To start off, I'll be using an 8 by 10 mirror, and I'll be taking it apart so I may spray paint the frame metallic silver. Before spray painting the frame, I'll use it as my guideline to take my measurements. I added extra cardboard on the back side for support. Next, I'll be using mirror reflective tape and I'll cover the entire board and I'll be going around the frame. I find it easier to use a ruler to smooth out the tape. Next, I'll be using 8 chopping mats and I'll roll them tightly and hold them in place by using rubber bands and I'll let them sit overnight. The following day, I took my chopping mat and I'll be using the glossy side and I took my measurements around the trace frame and I cut it to size. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms for upcoming DIYs and giveaways. Next, I'll be applying both sides by using hot glue and I'll apply the hot glue on the edges as well to hold them in place. The chopping mats were not long enough, so I'll take 2 of them and attach them together and I'll cut them to size. Before gluing them in place, I'll be making holes on all 4 corners on the chopping mats by using this 1.5-inch round staple. By making the holes, it will create better lighting and better reflection. Once I was done, I'll repeat the same gluing steps on the top and on the bottom. Next, I'll be using 5 rows of gem wrap, and I'll be using the gem wrap to cover their inner edges and both seams. I also added extra gem wrap in between the spaces. Next, I'll be using remote control LED touch lights, and I'll use these as my guidelines to create little doors so when it's time to change the batteries to make it easier. I'll be using ribbon to create little handles. I repeated the same steps on the opposite side. Next, I'll use a chopping mat and I'll trace and cut to cover up all four corners. And I'll be using hot glue to attach them. I also added single strips of gem wrap and I also added gem wrap around the whole entire frame. Next, I'll bring back my mirror frame and I'll add gem wrap. I added single strips of gem wrap on both sides and I also added gem wrap in the center and I repeated the same steps on the second one. And here's the finished look. I really do have to say I love the way this wall decor turned out and it's so glam and chic and it's unique and it's a perfect touch for those glam queens out there. This is a beautiful add-on when getting ready for that special event. This wall decor also brings out a 1940 vibes when actresses were getting ready for their special events or evening. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY as much as I enjoy making it. Now don't forget I post new DIY videos every week. Like and share with family and friends and subscribe if you haven't. Click on notification bells for more upcoming future videos. Stay strong, safe and healthy and I'll see you real soon.